Customizing developer workflows with GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is an AI tool for developers. It helps them code faster by suggesting context-aware snippets. It reduces the mental effort needed for repetitive tasks. Its ability to integrate with many languages and environments made it a developer favorite. Benefits of customizing GitHub Copilot. Improved productivity. Developers can now use various tools in the coding environment. They can manage their entire workflow without leaving it. This not only saves time but also minimizes context switching, a major productivity killer. Greater accessibility. GitHub Copilot extensions simplify complex tasks. They make advanced tools more accessible to developers of all skill levels. For example, new developers can configure cloud resources with little Azure CLI knowledge. Tailored workflows. Every team is different. Customizable extensions let organizations adapt Copilot to their needs. This ensures maximum relevance and efficiency. Real-world applications. Debugging made easier with Sentry integration. Developers can fix bugs faster. They can access error logs directly from their IDE. Copilot Chat lets you ask natural language questions, like, "What caused this error in the last build?" C/CD automation teams using Jenkins or GitHub Actions can build workflows. These workflows can automate repetitive tasks, like code reviews and deployment pipelines. The future of GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot's customizability is a step toward a more efficient, unified development environment. As Microsoft invests in AI and developer tools, we can expect better integrations, smarter suggestions, and more automation soon. Also, training Copilot on proprietary datasets could be a game changer for organizations. It would help them build apps with unique requirements. By aligning Copilot's AI with internal tools and standards, businesses can create custom workflows. Conclusion. GitHub Copilot has evolved from a coding assistant to a tool that adapts to unique workflows. It's now a comprehensive developer tool. Customizable extensions can boost productivity,